Now we shall pass on to question number 7 from the exercise. What is there in the question? Calculate her profit or loss. Statement of profit or loss. This we have seen already, how to find the profit or loss of a business. What? That is capital at the end. At the end of the year, add drawings. Less additional capital we will get an answer which is called adjusted capital. With that adjusted capital we should compare opening capital. We should compare opening capital to find the profit or loss. Profit or loss. This is the format we have seen already. If the first 4 items, capital at the end, drawings, additional capital, opening capital, if all these 4 items are given, we can substitute those values in the format and we can find the profit or loss. This is what we should follow. But what is given in the problem number 7? You keep your textbook simultaneously with you while you are watching this lesson. What is given in problem number 7? Problem number 7, on 1st April 2018, Subha started her business with a capital of 1,20,000. Subha started her business with a capital of 1,20,000 means this is the capital in the beginning of the year or in the beginning of the starting of the business. So it is called opening capital here, 1,20,000. Yes, good. Then the second one. See the 2 lines given under the tabular column. During the year, she withdrew 30,000 for her personal use. For personal use, anything is drawn, that is called drawings, I said in other classes. So, drawings 30,000. She introduced further capital of rupees 40,000, that is, he has invested additional capital rupees 40,000. Yes, we require capital at the end, drawings, additional capital and opening capital to find the profit or loss. But in this problem, we are given drawings, additional capital, opening capital, only these 3 items are given. What about the 4th item, capital at the end of the year? This is not given directly, but you are given some items to find out the capital at the end of the year. That is, you are given some assets and liabilities. Using this statement of affairs, find the capital at the end of the year and that answer should be written there to find the profit or loss. So again, now go to the list of items given there. Bank overdraft. Bank is an asset, but bank overdraft is a liability. Bank overdraft 50,000. Debtors, it is an asset. Debtors is an asset. Bills receivable is an asset, as we have seen in the other problem. Bills receivable 70,000. Computer is an asset. Computer 30,000. Machinery is an asset. Machinery is an asset, 3 lakhs. Stock in trade. Stock is an asset. Stock in trade, 1,60,000. Creditors is a liability. Creditors is a liability. Bills payable is also a liability. Bills payable is also a liability. 2,40,000. Cash in hand is an asset. Cash in hand is an asset. That is 60,000. Yes, we have recorded all the 9 items given here by dividing it as assets and liabilities. Now we are going to find the capital of the business, closing capital of the business. As I said, find the total of asset side. This is 8 lakhs, asset side total. And the liability side total $3,80,000. And which is the greatest total? 8 lakhs is the greatest total. You write that on both the sides. So how much is missing here? How much amount is lesser here? You minus it and find the answer. If you minus it, you will get 4,20,000. This balancing figure or the missing figure is called the capital. Since this capital is at the end of the year, that is 31st March 2019, it is called capital at the end of the year or closing capital. Now we can write it here, the closing capital 4,20,000, and we can use the format to find the profit or loss. Add drawings 4,20,000 plus 30,000, 4,50,000. Less additional capital 4,50,000 minus 40,000, 4,10,000. Now compare the adjusted capital with that of the opening capital. From 4,10,000 minus 1,20,000, it is 2,90,000. This is the profit of the business. There is no loss in the business. Only there is a profit. Once again, I shall repeat it. Under the problem number 7, we are supposed to calculate the profit or loss. It is the question. So, what are the items given there at the top? At the top of the question, on 1st April 2018, Subha started her business with a capital of rupees 1,20,000. Once the business is started with some amount, that is called the capital in the beginning of the business. So it is opening capital. Because the question given in the problem is to find the profit or loss. We know the format, capital at the end, add drawings, less additional capital. The answer we get is adjusted capital. We should compare the opening capital with that of the adjusted capital to find the profit or loss. So for one item, the value is given there in the book. And they come to the point given under the tabular column. During the year, she withdrew 30,000 for her personal use. If anything is drawn for personal use, it is drawings, add drawings. We have written. And some other amount is she introduced a further capital of 40,000 during the year. Further capital, that is the additional capital, 40,000. So I have written it here. So we are given drawings, we are given additional capital, we are giving opening capital, but this amount is missing. It is not given there, but instead there are some items in the name of assets and liabilities from which we should find the capital at the end of the year. So we have divided the given 9 items as assets and liabilities. And we have found out the balancing figure, which is called the capital, and that capital is written there. Now in the format we have got the number 1 item, 2, 3, and these 4 items are given, so we can find the profit here. Add it and less it, we will get adjusted capital. With the adjusted capital, you compare the opening capital. This adjusted capital is greater, therefore we will get profit. In case the adjusted capital is lesser, we will get only loss. Here the adjusted capital is greater, so from adjusted capital minus opening capital, we will get the profit. That's all.